Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we're going to fall decorate, and we're going to do this the easy way. We're going to do a speed fall decorating, and I can tell you some of my basic principles. One of my basic principles is have a pattern that you repeat in each room. That way it can keep the consistency going, especially if you have, like me, a small place. I have 3 rooms, so I have one pattern that does repeat. Actually, I have several patterns that repeat. But you'll get to see all of that. Don't feel that when you do your fall decorating, it all has to be done in one day or at one time. So you will notice as you keep watching these videos, which, by the way, hey, if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications because I do new videos all the time. And also, you're going to get to see some of the evolution of things. Like this background. It's not done yet, and that's the cool part about this. You will get to see things change, you'll notice the change, because I believe that your house should be ever evolving, just like you are. You don't stay the same all the time, but this is the cool thing. You can watch how I decorate for fall, you can see the patterns that I have. Now, if you have questions about this, go ahead and leave those down in the descriptions, but that's enough of me talking. Let's get decorating. what you thought about that down in those comments. I hope you enjoyed that. It was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun. Don't forget to check out the descriptions for some of the links for some of the things that I use or are up. And I hope that you really do. If this is your first time here, hit that subscription button. Also, ring that bell for notifications. That way you know when there's a new video out. And I hope I get to see you again next time. And check out these videos I picked out just for you.